Today I'm replacing this intercooler pipe with this one here because the customer keeps having issues with this one. So here we go. First one, two. Let's see if I can, I'll get that later. Okay. Using the 11mm socket here, long extension to get down to the clamp at the bottom. Not sure if you can see that in there. Kind of hard to see. Gotta get that off. Okay. Where can we put it? Send it up here. There, we get a pry bar here. Pop the bottom of the pipe off. There we go. There, got it off. Haha. There's the old one. There's the clamp from the bottom. And apparently he had something shoved inside here. That's cool. Whatever, worked for him. Okay, put the new one in. So shiny. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. It doesn't fit properly. It goes over it. Is it supposed to wrinkle down on it? Huh. I'll try and put it on, see what happens. Yeah, that's a new one. Probably tight enough there then. Let's get the wire, reach under here, plug it back in. That's probably not where it's supposed to go. Hold on. There. Push pin installed on the pipe there too. Keep the wire nice and snug. There you go. Pipe replaced. Ha.